Hey guys, welcome to the Mobile Central. If you saw my Flip 3 review, I had told you that I have ordered a custom white color from Samsung for Flip 3. Well, what are these custom colors? Well, Samsung actually produces total 7 colors of Flip 3. 4 of them are available on retail channels, 3 of them are glossy and 1 phantom black is a matte finish, and 3 special colors are only reserved for Samsung.com purchases. All these 3 colors are matte finishes, one of them is white, which is here. So let's unbox and see what the deal is all about. Okay, so this box is off. You get this Galaxy branding in this huge box and there's just one phone inside. Such a huge box and still no charger. Okay, so let's get to our unboxing desk and see what the deal is all about. Okay, so here is this slim box, obviously telling you that there is no charger inside. Okay, so typical Galaxy Z Flip 5G markings here and there, and the good part about this custom box is it can completely be understood or differentiated from the regular Z Flip boxes is that it is signifying that there are 3 custom colors. It's grey, white, pink and grey again. This grey and this grey is slightly different. Anyway, I will not waste a lot of time on this box, but just trying to tell you that how these custom things are. I mean, there is a differentiation factor in packaging as well overall. Anyway, let's just get to the, let me just get my cutter and we can completely get this seals off and start to see what's inside the box. Okay, let me just, alright, okay, we are ready to look at the custom Z Flip 3 5G in white. Okay, the lid is off. Here is the phone. We'll look at it in a minute. What else do we have? Some stickers, which I don't know what they are used for. And I think this small carton, which probably will have your cables and stuff, if I'm not wrong. Yes, you get a cable, no charger, and just the phone. No matter how much money you pay for these phones these days, chargers are off. Anyway, so this box, let's get rid of it and let's look at this phone. So front black, and now the main attraction, the custom white Flip. Okay, I really like it, how it looks, and let me just get rid of this plastic and show you how it actually looks like without any reflection. So according to me, this should be a matte finish. Let us get rid of this plastic. Plastic is off. Wow, this looks absolutely fantastic. I love this black and white coordination going on here, but the problem with this white, I feel this text is quite visible here. So there's some trademarks and some stuff like that, some recycled stuff, whatever they put it on all smartphones. It's visible quite badly on the white color. Unfortunately, it doesn't show up that bad on other glossy finishes. This is matte, guys. This is matte. All borders are matte, yes. And apart from this portion of the phone, everything else is matte. Let's look at the hinge and time to fold this beauty. Okay, here it goes. So Samsung logo reveals itself on the hinge, and yes, it is matte black color. It looks absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. And by the way, this color is not exactly like white as per se. It's sort of pearlish, I would like to say. It's kind of pearlish, not absolutely white. So yeah, that's about this color and shade. Let me just show it to you in some real world light. We are back on the desk now. This is the custom white. I absolutely love this color. It reminds me of the panda finish on the Pixel 2 XL, and it's beautiful. That small portion on the back of the Pixel 2 XL was black, remaining part of the phone was white, and here it is. This white and black combination is absolutely gorgeous. It's stunning. How it looks from the front when you fold it, it's beautiful. I mean, you cannot go wrong with this color. Okay, let's turn this on and set it up quickly so that I can show you how it looks like with the cover display on. Okay, so the phone's all set up now. It's a typical Samsung that you are used to seeing here. That's the UI, one UI that we have on Samsung, and I have done a full review on Flip 3. Have a look at that, and it's a phantom black color that I had reviewed. It's there on my channel, and the link will appear on your screen, one of the corners just about now. And yeah, so here is the UI. Let me just show you the cover screen, how it looks like. You can customize this cover screen. It holds certain widgets. So on this white and black combination is also the cover screen is looking very interesting. Once again, I think this color is playing out really well with overall theme of this device, I would say. And yes, it looks pretty nice. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it about this phone, this color. Hit a thumbs up if you like the video, and let's take the conversation on Twitter. If you have any feedback, any thoughts that you would like to share with me, you can reach out in the comments or on Twitter or on Instagram. And hit a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Cheers.